Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2023 Chevy Bolt, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you how to open up the hood so that you can be able to check your fluids inside or anything else you would need to do that. It's fairly simple. You can already tell that this car has had a little bang up job, but everything will still function, or does still function enough that we can open up the hood. So first we're going to go to the driver door, open that up, and then be able to pull the lever there. And we'll show you that. So over here, we've come into the driver door, and we can see right here is the lever to open up the hood. So we're going to pull that, and generally hear a little pop noise out front because the little spring on there pops it up. So now we go back around front to be able to get the remainder of the hood unlatched. So now we're back around front here, and right above the emblem we have the hood. If it wasn't banged up like it is right now, it would be flat here, and then we would be able to raise this up, and reaching right in above the emblem, there's a little lever here, and we need to push it to the left-hand side of the vehicle, the right as you're looking at the front of the vehicle. And that unlocks the latch that grabs onto this little bar right there, and then can raise it up. You got that metal rod that goes up into here, support it and lock it into place so that it's not going to fall down on you when you do work on the front of your vehicle and sit under the engine bay or anything like that. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.